Hey y'all, I'm back with another tutorial, and this is going to be a soft glam with a bold lid. First I'm starting off with this brown color in her crease, just blending it out. And I'm just gonna keep blending this color for a while because I wanted to get the pigmentation as like bold as possible or as pigmented as possible. So I built that color for a minute, and then I go in with a lighter color above it to blend her to blend the shadow into her brow bone, basically. I'm taking this really warm toned brown in my Morphe 39A palette, and I liked how this brown worked with the contrast of the cool tone browns. I'm just placing that in her crease just to create some depth into her eye. So when I lay down the base for her, basically like the base for the other neutral colors, you'll still see the different browns and all the different tones. I'm laying her base down in soft circular soft circular motions just to get the shape that I wanted with her eye. Because the thing is, it's not really like a cut crease, but I still want a defined shape on her lid. So I just basically just swirl the brush around her lid with the base on it until I get the desired kind of oval almond shape I'm looking for. Taking that first initial brown color, and I'm just basically smoking out the outside of her lid, I guess, where I placed that base. I need to stop saying so much, it's so annoying. Like, it annoys me. But yeah, I'm just blending out that edge to smoke it out just because I don't want any harsh lines in this cut crease. Not cut crease, it's soft glam. Y'all know how it goes. A soft glam is supposed to be soft, no harsh lines. You're just supposed to see everything like blend and flow together. Taking this white, and I'm just packing it on to where I put the base, just so that when I place the nude shadow on top of it, it's not just lost, I guess. The white is basically just like a coat, just so the shadow appears brighter. applying the nude shadow onto her lid with a fluffy brush. Just make sure everything is seamless and there are no like creases or cracky spots in her shadow, because I know matte shadows do that a lot. So just apply it with a light hand and a fluffy brush. Y'all, let me tell you how I held my breath for this wing liner, because I haven't done a wing liner on camera yet. So I was really like scared to see how it was gonna come out, because like if I messed up, I wasn't trying to redo her whole eye. But it worked for the better, and it actually looked really good. For her skin, I used two different foundations. First, I used Fit Me in shade 332, and then I went in around her jaw area with Fit Me in shade 340. You'll see somewhere along these lines. But yeah, I blended two foundations together to get her like actual matching skin tone. To conceal, I use Fit Me in shade 40, and then I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. I started with the Fit Me, but then I realized I was too close to her skin tone for me, so I went in under her eyes a little bit with the Light Ivory, as well as sharpening the edge of the liner and cleaning it up some. And yeah, that's all I did with the concealer. To contour, I mix the shade above the darkest shade and the darkest shade together just to get that like perfect tone for her, because the darkest shade to me would have been too dark for her skin tone, but the lightest shade was too close to her actual skin tone, so I just kind of mixed them both together, swirled my brush around in the palette until like I got, you know, the desired color. Literally use the same products in every video, y'all. So if I'm not talking much or like the voiceover is not as like, I don't want to say long, or there's not as many voiceovers, it's really because like I'm tired of repeating myself. Like all my videos are really the same. I really use the same techniques, the same products, but they're just different looks. So I'm just bronzing her face with my Black Radiance contour palette using the second shade. lips with my Kiss lip liner in the shade Deep Coffee, I think. And for her lips, y'all gonna see me put the lipstick onto her lips. I usually don't do that, but this was her own personal lipstick, so I actually don't know the shade as well. But we used a red lipstick because she literally always wears red lipstick and it looks so good on her, so I just had to use it for the look. So yeah, we're using her own lipstick, which is why I applied it directly onto her lips. And I really do not know the shade, so just try to find a red lipstick is similar to it if you can. Going in around her lips with some concealer just to clean up those lines and make her lips more defined and sharp. And also I think I got some liner somewhere below her lips, and I was just using the concealer to just clean up my mistakes. Honestly, would this be a soft glam if I didn't do the white liner? Would it really? Okay, but now I'm just lining her eyes with the white liner and her waterline. And this really concludes the look. I'm just waiting for the part where I set her face. It should be coming up now. Okay, so this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.